Good morning, everyone. This myself Sakshi and this is Jyoti. We are from MERI College and pursuing MCA. We as a team has developed a website on ASP.NET platform. So our project is all about Navyata when clothing reaches at your doorstep. About the project, Navyata is the website made on ASP.NET according to the case study and our client's requirement. So, what is the case study? Our team has chosen the problem of a small businesswoman who owns a clothing brand but do not know about the technical ways to expand her business. She deals with several clients on a wholesale terms but via physical connect only. She doesn't know how to market and digitize her brand on a digital platform, which is a must in present time. Our team got hired by her, and our first step is to make her exist on social platform via website, which can sell her thoughts and branding to the clients digitally.
So we have chosen to develop our client's website on ASP.NET because this is an open source server-side web framework and is very useful for creating scalable web applications and is completely secure due to inbuilt Windows authentication and is very easy to create and maintain and allow to choose languages. These are the tools that we have used. First is ASP.NET, second is SQL Server Management Studio. So project stages, there are multiple stages we have occurred during the website. So first step is writing down the client's requirement specification and how she needs her website to look. Second is designing and structuring the layout of website and mapping down its functionality. Third is implementation phase is processed via tools and ASP.NET platform with deployment. So what is now our approach to client's website? As our client is very simple in terms of technology and her branding, we decided to write down her requirements and make it visualized via website to gain trust of the viewing user as equal as our client is dealing with them physically. So our approach is to make a one-page website with multiple internal pages in it to provide a one-stop platform to user. Starting with homepage, we tried to show that Navyata brand is about leading to services and social links of our client. Viewing user can explore the brand, the reviews of existing partners to gain trust and confidence.
Following up, the gallery shows clothing that our client provides to her customers, added with some facts and figures about her team. We have also taken care of users' curiosity about our brand in terms of FAQ to know the insights about the client's company. Our client wished to connect with her new customers, partners very personally without any technical flow, so reach button leads to her WhatsApp connect. Professional connect is also very important. It is also taken care via filling up of details so that our client can reach them professionally. Our website is overall a summarization of client's brand and her thought of doing business, showcasing her personality only with her website. So these are some sneak peeks to our website. This is the homepage of Navyata. This is the services section of Navyata. This is the about us page of Navyata. They are the partners review, gallery with some pictures, some facts and figures as well, and some FAQs. There are some links as well to connect to Navyata. This is the where how you can connect to Navyata professionally and get updated information. You can also connect Navyata via WhatsApp very easily.
So let's have a look at the video describing about Navyata. So let's have a look at the running of the project. So this is the IDE that we have used for developing the Navyata website. You can also use this website named as Visual Studio. You can run your project through this IIS Express Google Chrome. Now let's switch to the website window. So this is the home page of Navyata. As you can see, we are having two buttons, chat with us and sign up. I will discuss it further, but before going through these two buttons, let's see what are the other functions of Navyata. So this is the services provided by Navyata, and you can also connect with Navyata through these links, social links, which is Instagram and Facebook, by clicking on these symbols. So now let's come back to home page and let's see about this company Navyata, and this is the philosophy of Navyata and partners review of Navyata. And this is the gallery of Navyata. As you can see, there are some clothes displayed on the website. You can see, and some bullet points about Navyata, and this is the team that have developed this project. And these are some FAQs of our customers. We can say queries of our customers. Now let's get back to the home page. So customers can connect with Navyata through sign up page to get their daily generals, and you can see that this is the form. When you click on sign up page, if you click on submit without filling the details, you will get a message like please fill mandatory fields. If I fill these fields, you can see I will fill Soumya, last name is not required. I will give this number and email ID. And yes, I would like to shop from your store. Submit. You will get a message submitted successfully. We are happy to have you as our customer. We'll contact you soon. Now let's see if the Navyata owner will get the details of the customer. So I will switch to the another window, which is our Microsoft SQL Server Management for databases. You can also use this IDE for developing your databases. Now, if I select my database registration and right click on it, I will get a window select top 1000 rows, and I will select it. Now I can get the details of my customer. It's slow. So you can see that I have filled the name as Soumya and I am getting the details of Soumya. Okay. Now let's get back to the website, which is here. So let's get back to the home page. And if I am having two buttons as reach us and chat with us, both will lead us to the WhatsApp page. And let's connect with reach us. I will get something like this, and you can message Navyata through this button. So let's get back to home page and continue with our PPT.
there can be further add-ons as well in future according to the client's need and requirement. So first, website can have real-time face connect with the client whom the client allows to video connect to. Gallery could be more updated with the clothing information and real-time update of more realistic images. And as per the business growth, website could have more sections about the company. So this is our team, me and Jyoti. We are from MERI College and we have developed this website. We hope you like it, both our presentation and website. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.